Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online just by copying and pasting royalty-free resources that you can find for free on internet. It's that simple. So even if you are absolute beginner, you will know how to do this because I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything. And yes, this is available worldwide. And even though it says this is a Digistore24 affiliate marketing method, you can successfully apply this on other affiliate networks as well. And also stay with me till the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to double your money. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. You can successfully apply this method on Digistore24, on ClickBank, on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Amazon, Commission Junction or any other affiliate network. But for this example, I am going to use Digistore24. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche and you need to research that niche, you need to check your competition, you need to check potential of that niche and so on and so on. And then based on those data, you will decide will you go with that niche or not. So for the purpose of this video, let's say I'm in make money online niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click on internet marketing and e-business. And what you need to do, you need to go through all of these products, you need to research all of these products, check their sales pages, their affiliate tools pages, check Google Trends, go on SimilarWeb, and so on and so on. And then based on those data, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Tube Monetization Automation Program. I actually watched some of the videos of this guy here. His YouTube channel is by 9 to 5. You can go on YouTube and find his channel. Here you can see affiliate commission is 50% and I can earn 260 euros per sale. This is a high ticket product. So even if I make just 4 sales, I will make more than 1000 euros. And when we scroll here, we will see that cancellation rate is 20%, which is actually average for high ticket products. So all in all, this is a good product to promote. So what I need to do, I need to open his affiliate tools page in new tab to check all the tools that he is giving me in order to promote his product. Here you can see some video. Okay, so let me just scroll here to find the tools that he is offering. Here you can see, okay, student testimonials and videos. Just click here and that is exactly what we are looking for. We are looking for videos. And here you can see he's actually giving us a lot. When I say a lot, I really mean a lot videos, testimonial videos that you can use to promote his product. And he will load more product videos, as you can see here. So what you need to do, you actually can use these videos to promote his product. For example, what you can do is you can download few of these videos, let's say 2, 3, 5 of these videos, and you can make testimonial compilation video. So all you have to do is just click here, okay, scanning for virus, give it a few seconds, and then click here on OK, and you will download this video to your desktop. And like I said, download 3, 4, 5 videos in order to make compilation. And you can use each of these videos separately, but some of these videos are short, so you will need to make a compilation. And you can make a compilation 100% free in just 5 minutes. All you have to do is just go on Canva and register for a free account. And then click here on video. So next thing you need to do, you need to click here on uploads on left side. And then you need to click here on upload media and you need to upload these videos that you downloaded from Google Drive that this guy provided for you. So just go back here, click on upload media and upload those videos. Well, these videos are uploading. If you find this video useful, please give it a like. Also, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends in order to help them to make money online as well. Okay, so all I have to do now is just drag this video here and all I have to do now is just drag this to make it fit to my template. Let me just pause this and just drag it to make it fit to my template. Okay, like this. So I added first video. All I have to do now is just move this slider, click on the second slide, and let's say I wish to add this video here. I will just drag it here, give it a second to add it to my work surface. And I will just pause this. Okay, and I will move this, just drag it to make it fit to my template. And that's it. I made a compilation in just a few seconds and as you saw. And you can cut these videos, you can trim these videos, you can add some effects, you can add some text, you can add transitions between these two videos. Just click here on this plus and you can add transitions. You can do so many things with these videos. and you can add as many videos as you want, and it is all 100% free, and you can do this in just a few seconds. And after you are satisfied how your video looks, how your compilation looks, all you have to do here in upper right corner, click on download and then choose MP4, click on download and download this video to your desktop. It's that simple. Now, this is a tip from me. It is always better to make your own videos. You can go on Fiverr or Upwork and pay someone to make you that video, or you can make that video by yourself 100% free, copy and paste in just 5 minutes. If English is not your native language or you don't have a microphone or whatever the reason is, you can go on Murph and you can create a quality voiceover in just 5 minutes. But for Murph you actually need to pay. And in one of my previous videos I showed you how you can get that voiceover from Murph totally free. And after you get your voiceover, all you have to do now is just go on Pexels and here in search bar, let's just search, in this case, make money online and click search. And Pexels will give you royalty-free photos and videos. We need videos, so just click here on videos and then click here on orientation and choose horizontal because we are making videos for YouTube and other similar websites. And here you can see all kind of make money online related videos that are royalty free. You can use these videos any way you want. And here you can even see more suggestions. Make money, work from home, affiliate marketing, business. You can search for YouTube, you can search for digital marketing, internet marketing, and so on and so on. And you will get lots and lots of royalty-free videos that you can use. And just download those videos, go back on Canva and create compilations. And also add voiceover that you downloaded from Murph. And after you are satisfied how your video looks, just click here on download and download that video to your desktop. And after you create your videos, now you need to upload those videos somewhere in order to get a free traffic for affiliate marketing. And for that we are going to use a website called Rumble. And Rumble is exactly the same like YouTube. It is a video hosting website. And let me first show you potential of Rumble. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that last month Rumble got 129 million visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that more than 70% of their visitors are coming from tier 1 countries: United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, and France. So Rumble has a huge potential. So first thing you need to do, you need to register for Rumble. Registration is simple and free. And after you confirm your email, all you have to do, here in upper right corner, click on this camera to upload your video. Click upload video and then click here in order to upload that video. Just click here to upload video from your desktop. Okay, so now we need to add title. I already prepared title for this purpose. Okay, I will just copy this, Ctrl C, and you need to add keywords, your main keyword in the title of your video in order to optimize that video for better results for search in Rumble, but also on Google. So I will paste my title here, how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. And you need to add description, same thing. Try to add your main keyword in description in order to optimize this video for search engine. So I already prepared description as well. So I will just copy this, Ctrl C, and I will paste it here. You can add thumbnails. Now I didn't prepare thumbnail for this example. And the next thing we need to do, so I will just choose this one here, for example. And now I need to add tags. Tags are optional, but I would suggest to use tags again for optimization purpose. So I will just say YouTube, okay, and then comma, and I will say make money again, and okay, I need to add space here, and let's say earn money. Okay, that is enough for this purpose. Now you will add more tags as well. You can also schedule this video if you want, but you don't need to do that. Like I said, if you want, you can schedule this video. And after this, all you have to do now is just click here on upload and upload this video on Rumble. Choose here Rumble only. You don't need to add additional information. Here you need to choose, say you have not signed exclusive agreement with any other parties. Click here to agree with the terms of condition and then click here on submit and submit this video to Rumble. And these are your links that you can use to promote your Rumble video. And you can promote your video in related Facebook groups, on Reddit, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and so on to drive even more traffic to that video. And here you can actually see your video. Just click here in order to view your video. And this is your video. Now, good thing about Rumble is they also have a partnership program just like YouTube, but it is much easier to get in their partnership program. Here you can see this video, for example, earned $87. This one here earned $718 from partnership program on Rumble. And they are very transparent about that. You can see how much money each of the videos that is in partnership program earned. Here you can see this video earned $202. So you can easily make money not just from affiliate marketing on Rumble, you can also make money with partnership program on Rumble. And that is another reason why you need to promote your videos by yourself. The more views your video get, the more money you will make from Rumble partnership program. So this is how you make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing without website by driving free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.